Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jannad. You are welcome to this video lectures on structures in C. Let us have a brief discussion about what is the structure and why the structure is important, right? So the structure is a user-defined data type in C language which allows us to combine data of different type together, and it helps us to construct a complex data type which is more meaningful. So it is somewhat similar to array, but an array holds data of similar type only, and in structures data is stored in form of records. Okay, that is the difference between structure and array. Now let us see why this structure is so important. See, we use some variables for storage and also for manipulation on this data. Okay, for storing some data we use some variables, but when variables are available, then why should you go for the structures? See, variable is one data or one type of data we store it here. You get it now? So to overcome that one, so we come across with some arrays. Arrays here multiple data but same type. For example, you want marks, only marks will be inserted in that array. Similarly, you want the registration number, only registration number of the students will be inserted there. These are similar type. Okay, but suppose I want to use something where I want to use different type of data types. For example, I want to use a faculty where I want to store the faculty name. Faculty name, it is a character. Okay, so similarly I want to faculty ID, it will be integer. I want to store the faculty email ID. I want to insert the faculty say for example branch, and I want to insert the faculty mobile number. So this is not possible in array. This is not possible in array. Okay, so for that what we need to do, because this data type are different type of things are, one is integer, one is character, one is another thing, one is password, like that. So different things are there, right? So to overcome that one, then we come and we go for these structures. Okay, so you know in the built-in data type we can store only one type of data. That is the problem, but we cannot store different type of data under same name. That is the main thing. For example, I told you that suppose I go for a faculty, say faculty name Jijana, faculty age say 59, so faculty salary say I say 1.5, whatever things are like that, these are different data types. So name Jijana and age some 59 and salary some floating point number 1.50 lakhs, like whatever things are there. Get it now? So all the things that we can better do using the structures, that we can better do using the structures. That is the purpose. Then we will come across why we need this thing. Okay, just we see the difference between structure and union also, because another thing is that will come across. Yeah, just 1 minute, give me time. Yeah, let us have a look about the structure and union. Okay, why okay, what is the key difference? Let us have a look at this. Okay, now yeah, just we have it here. Just wait a minute. Okay, so this better will take it here, right? So now what I told, yeah, this also we can take a little of right. Now let us see. Anyway, we will be studying in details about this union, but now let us see what is the key difference between structures and union in C. See, structure allocates storage space for all its members separately. Say for example, I want to store what is the name, I want to store what is the name is character, I want to store what is the age, it is integer. So for different it stores memory space differently, right? But union allocates one common storage space for all the members. Then on what basis? Say suppose some character will be some byte, integer will be some byte, double will be some byte. So on what basis? So union finds that which of its members meet a high storage space over other members. So out of these members, which member has the highest storage, and the same is allocated and it is shared by others, right? Now the structure occupies higher memory space. That is one of the drawbacks of the structure, but union occupies lower memory spaces over the structure. Here in structure, we can access all members of structures at a time. All members, because why? Because all the members are allocated memory separately. In union, we can access only one member of union at a time. That is the thing. You got it now? Then coming to this one, we can go for see some coding sample is here. Say I define a structure struct for student. Say here the members are mark, integer, mark, character name, and the maximum size I put it 6 here, and average some double like that. I want the average of the marks like that, it is there. But here you see the union, it is also same. Here only we are writing struct students, here we are writing union students. Okay, then integer mark it is right, then character name it is also same, and double average it is also there. Okay, so it is here it is more or less the same, only the keyword difference it is here we are using structure, here we are using union. And for above structure, memory allocation will be like this. Say for example integer mark, so 2 byte of data will be there. For integer the data type it is 2 byte, character it is 6 byte, and double it is 8 byte. So totally how much? 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 8 16 byte of data memory is allocated for these things if it is in structure. For the same thing in union, see what is the highest is 8 byte. Highest if you see it here, the double average it is the double average for average it is 8 byte of data is required. So that is the maximum. Same 8 byte is allocated to the entire union here. For above union, only 8 byte of memory will be allocated once double data type will be occupying maximum space of this memory over the data types. So total memory allocated here it is equal to 8 byte. Okay, so these are the some of the things. Now another important thing it comes. Suppose we are going to declare a thing. So let us have an example here. Yeah, we can see the example here. I am declaring one structure. The structure here it is faculty, and here the members are name, age, ID and branch. Okay, so character, so the faculty name, say faculty name will be there, some faculty age, some integer will be there, integer age, and ID, faculty ID, because any employee some ID will be there, employee ID will be there. Then the branch, which branch he belongs also it will be there, right? So there, these we call it as the members of the structure. We call it as the members of the structure. Then this whatever I am giving you the faculty here it is written, this we call it as the structure tag. This is only for identifier, it is used as identifier. Okay, the structure is for defining a structure, you use the word structure, struct. Then this faculty what we are using, this we call it as the struct tag or structure tag, right? So then when we start this curly braces here, the structure starts here, okay, and when we use this semicolon here, then it is the end of the structure here. You got it now? And in between these curly braces what are there, we call it as the member of the structures. And you see one important thing is that till now it does not allocate any memory. No memory is resumed till now. Then for that what you do, we declare it here integer x, structure faculty, say I put one variable here jjana, structure faculty jjana. For this jjana what are things I am putting? I am putting say jjana name, then your character name is there, then integer age is 59, and ID I am putting say 501, and branch, suppose I am putting branch is equal to CSC. Then for that what you need to do is, suppose I want to print the name. So print name is character, so printf percentage s, okay, that you can slash, and for a new line I want, then what the name. So for this variable I am putting jjana dot name. So what is the output will come? This output jjana will come. Similarly jjana dot age, what is the age it will come? Say suppose 59, the age will come 59. Similarly if you go for the jjana dot id, suppose id is equal to 501, it will show 508. And suppose the branch is CSC, the jjana dot branch it will come in there, and get character and return 0. So now this is the thing. Suppose I run this program, you can clearly see and you can understand. Now you can clearly see and you can clearly understand it running. So you can see the name it has come jjana, and the age it has come 59, and the branch the faculty ID it has come 501, and the branch it has come CSC. Now you can clearly see how a structure is declared and how a structure is implemented here, right? So now I close this one. Then if you want, you can go for some other program here also. Say suppose I go for something like 31 is a different data type. Say you see an example here, I am giving it here. Yeah, you say 30 is also, I think that is different thing. 31, you see, this is another program I am writing on structure. So as input std address, so I am declaring the structure and the variable here student here, and I am declaring the members are here name and age. So name, data type is character name, and the maximum size I am putting 50, integer I am putting it here. Okay, then function prototype I am using void display structure student s is the prototype I am putting here, and the main function start Indian structure student s1, and printf enter your name. Say suppose I enter my name there, then you take the printout from the keyboard like scanner percentage and all things you put it there. These are the common things. So then printf enter your age, and that you store it with the age. Here you store with the name. Then display for A1 and also for A1 whatever things you display, then you return 0. Okay. Then here also you see void display structure student is, and printf all the things is there. Name is equal to a dot name, age is equal to a dot age. All this information we can display it here. Okay. Now this is the program, and if I try to run this program, just I click it here, and you can see the name it has coming. So it's telling enter the name. Suppose I am putting my name is Gunamani. Okay. So it's fine. Then it is asking what is the age. Suppose my age is 59. Okay. Now you can clearly see displaying informations. Name is Gunamani, age is equal to 59. So it process return 0, and you can see clearly you can do all things, right? So this way, say if you go for number 32, you go for 32, C program 32. Here also the same thing student I have given it here. It is in a different way. The function prototype it is also there. Okay. So then structure student get information. This similar type of things, the entire program. This entire program will be available for you in my GitHub. I will be giving a link to you. So all of you, if you are interested, you can download. But for that, what you need to do, you need to subscribe this channel to get all this new and latest video what is uploaded for you. So please don't forget to subscribe, and you avail all these GitHub codes. Okay. Similarly, C program 33 also you can see. Here also you can see the same. We are going for a complex number, the first number, the real number, the this part, that part, all the things you can do it here also, right? So coming to 34. That is different thing. 34, 35, this is related to union. That will come across. That is not a problem, because while we are going for this union, then only we will go for that one. Here also you see this program number 37. Here also we are defining a structure student, and the first one is the first name, then integer, then for marks I am putting it here. Okay. And here it is another way of defining the structure. I am just defining s, and here the maximum size is equal to 5, right? So integer I, print enter information of the students. So for that what I need to, for I is equal to 0, I less than 5 plus I, plus I, so s of I. So in this way also this is a way of defining. I think in our next video we will explain all the things in details. For this video, this is the things you got some minimum idea what is the structure and how to create a structure and how to display other things. And I thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and also give a like by giving a thumbs up. You give a like to this video, and also don't forget to subscribe, because once you subscribe, all these new videos especially I am preparing for you, it will reach you. It is not only C, it is on Java, it is on Python, it is on Android Studio, so it is on PHP MySQL, it is on Perl, and it is also Ruby on Rails, and I have given a lot of things. All these videos by default you can access, and you know, for this video we are not charging anything. It's completely free of cost, so you can take the advantages and you can know a number of technology. Thank you for watching this video. Take care of health. Goodbye.